We're changing out a AC blower or the blower motor that's in the 2002 Ford Taurus. And if you look at it, it's right behind the glove department box. And if you see my other video, we changed this out, the resistor motor. And then now we're gonna change out the blower motor. So we have the new one and the old one. And as you can see, the old one barely turns. It's barely turn it. And with the new one, it flows freely. With this one, I would have to use some force to kind of turn it. This one. So that's the one indication that the blower motor has gone bad or got jammed up. Maybe it could be greased up, but this one on is at AutoZone did it. All you do to pop it out is just 3 screws. It's the one, 2, 3. You slide it on in and snap it back together and call it a day.